Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm here today with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make use of your old attachment, how to make use of your old attachment, how to use your old attachment to make a ponytail or packing gel, whatever you call it. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. So I'd like you guys to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. So let's get into the video. Wow, thank you guys for watching. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it is. It's really beautiful. See, it's very easy and quick. See, you don't have to like show your whole attachment away. It can still be useful for you. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you guys. So see you guys on my next video.
Bye.